This tutorial will help students to utilize their Urbandale Public Library cards and the services that they provide bringing students their Urbandale Public Library books to and from the high school. If you're on the UHS page, if you could redirect yourself to the resources page of our website and scroll until you find the UPL online catalog. Once this page is opened, you want to make sure that you're logged in. You can see that I'm already logged in, but I'm going to go ahead and log out and redo the process. It's going to ask you for two pieces of information, the username you made and the password you made. Your password could be several things. If you remember making your password, try that first. But otherwise, if you are unsure of your password, it should either be your 8-digit birthday or the last 4 digits of your phone number that you provided when you signed up for the card. Your username could be whatever you created or your library card number. Either will work. For example, I knew I wouldn't remember my library card number off the top of my head, so I made my own username and my own password just to make sure that I would have access to my account. Currently, I don't have any items checked out, but I would like to put something on hold to have delivered to the high school. So I'm going to go to search and keyword, and then I'm going to search for a very popular book that never seems to be in our library right now, and I want to see if I can get it at the public library a little bit faster. So you'll see several things. I want to find The Hate U Give, so that's what I searched. You'll see the print book, which has this little open book icon. You'll see the audiobook on CD, and then you'll see these two options here. Anytime you see the blue O, this means it's going to be an overdrive, which is online on your phone or on a computer. And they have both the ebook and the audiobook, all of which are currently out and have a lot of holds. However, the CD option and the print option still aren't available, but they have a lot fewer holds because these are specific to just Urbandale Public Library patrons. I know I want to read the print version, so I'm going to come over here to the right-hand side and find the place hold button and click. Because I'm logged in, it will automatically gather my information. The most important part of the hold process is to make sure for the pickup library that you have Urbandale Public Library UHS student selected. This will let the UPL librarians know that you would like your book delivered to UHS. Your other options are Urbandale Public Library. This means that you're going to go to the library yourself and pick up your own book. Otherwise, make sure you pick the second option. Activation date, this is just usually the day that you're submitting the request. If you know you don't need it immediately, you can submit the request for a later date if you want. When you are satisfied with these options, hit submit request. Because there are so many holds, they're asking if you would like to still place your request. I do want to wait in line, so I'm going to say continue. You will see that your request has been placed. If I go to account and I go to hold requests, you'll see that I had practiced it before, but this hold is now active. And I am in 8 of 8 positions waiting on those books. Urbandale Public Library delivers to the UHS on Thursday afternoons. So typically you will have a little bit of wait when you return and or request something, especially if you are waiting in line. So make sure to check back on your account and your hold requests to see if things are coming or going and making sure that any fines you might have are paid off on time. You can do that all from the My Account menu. If you have questions about how to use your Urbandale Public Library card, please see Ms. Watson or Ms. Fulmer in the LMC and have your library card handy so we can help you out. Thanks so much.